Hi, I am super excited to share with you this Lyma laser. It's right here. I want to tell you all about the amazing benefits and also specifically why I personally need this. First of all, this laser is 100 times more powerful than LED devices, which I found really intriguing. So I'm sure you guys can relate that as we get older, our skin changes. It just happens. And for me, I have definitely noticed the fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes and otherwise known as crow's feet. fun. And then also the lack of elasticity in my skin, especially on my eyelids and my neck area right here. But for this particular video, I'm just gonna give you my first impressions of the laser and also how to, kind of tell you how to use it and tell you more about the actual laser itself. So with that being said, be sure to follow along because I will be creating videos in the upcoming weeks showing you my results. So that should be really fun. But for now, let's go ahead and get into the laser and how it works.
It's important to lay out all the components on a countertop free of water and read over the instruction manual carefully. Then take the battery out of the laser by unscrewing the top, place the battery into the USB port and plug it in for at least 4 hours. Be sure to cleanse your face thoroughly. Then, once the battery is fully charged, the 4 blue lights will be illuminated and it's ready to be placed back into the laser. Before and after every use, make sure to use the cleansing cloth to clean the top laser area and the entire laser itself. Then press the black button at the bottom and the other end, the laser will turn red. You will then use both the mist and the gel. First, pump about 6 pumps of the mist and apply to all the areas you wish to concentrate on, and do the same with the gel. Once the products are all on your skin, turn on the laser and then press directly onto the areas you want to concentrate on. If it's a small area like around my eyes and eyelids, then keep the laser still for 3 minutes on each area. If it's a larger area like my neck, then glide the laser across the neck or face for 15 minutes. Do this daily, and once you're finished, wet the sponge and wipe away any excess gel and mist from your skin and you're all set. In addition to the laser, the most impactful results will come from using their skincare serum and cream. Use 3 pumps each and apply to the desired areas of your skin in the morning and evening. My first impressions are it's extremely easy to use, it's not painful at all, and it's actually quite relaxing and definitely a beneficial part of my daily skincare routine. I'll be back in 4 weeks with a follow-up on my results, so stay tuned. Check out their website by clicking the link in the description box below and comment with any questions.
Okay, so that was my video on the Lyma laser. I hope you found it helpful, and remember, in about 4 weeks, I'm gonna give you some results and kind of show you my skin, and I'm also going to give you before and after pictures, so make sure you tune in for that, and then I'll do another one after about 8 weeks. But if you have any questions before that, definitely leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. See you next time.